Hi, how you doing? I'm Eddie.
I'm Elisa.
And we are Spuddy Buddy Fry Factory. Spuddy Buddy Fry Factory is a mobile French fry restaurant that serves hand-cut artisanal French fries. We specialize in fry cream sundaes and unique French fry dishes. During COVID, we realized life was too short, so we started our own business.
We used LegalZoom right from the get-go. Anything that we needed, day or night, they helped us start our LLC very easily.
Car shows, motorcycle shows, sporting events, festivals, carnivals. Come try out all of our crazy dishes. You can find us on the web at www.spuddybuddyfryfactory.com.
You can call us and we'll come directly to you.
We're so excited to work with the 76ers and LegalZoom and be part of the Spirit of Small Business program. Tonight, the 76ers are playing the Thunder.
We'll be wearing the city uniforms and you can watch all the action on NBC Sports Philadelphia and 97.5 The Fanatic.
Shop small. Go Sixers!